Your online store could be losing customers right now. Did you know customers decide whether to trust your business in just a few seconds? If your online store looks outdated, slow, or confusing, you could be losing sales every single day without even realizing it. And the truth is, most customers will leave your website and buy from your competitor instead. Today, people expect fast, modern, and mobile-friendly online stores. If your website takes too long to load, has poor design, or makes shopping difficult, customers leave immediately. A bad online store doesn't just hurt your image. It hurts your sales, your trust, and your business growth. Meanwhile, businesses with professional e-commerce websites are attracting more customers, building stronger brands, and making sales 24/7. Imagine having an online store that looks modern, loads fast, and works perfectly on every device. A store where customers can easily browse products, add items to cart, and check out smoothly within seconds. With the right online store design, your business can build customer trust, increase online sales, reach more customers, create a professional brand image, grow faster online. Your website should work like your best salesperson, even while you sleep. Modern e-commerce design, mobile-friendly experience, fast loading pages, smooth checkout system, SEO optimized for better visibility. Everything designed to help your business stand out online. Your customers are already shopping online. The question is, will they buy from you or your competitors? Choose Innovative Agency Canada and take your online business to the next level.